Hey guys, it's me, Claire. If you remember me from the last review, sorry about that interruption. That was the latest fashion magazine. So yeah, well, the reason why Elsie's not here today is because, so here's the plan. When Elsie's here, when she's not here, when she's sick, and when she's all that stuff, when she's on a road trip or something, then I'm going to be here to fill in for her. So Elsie is the director, and I'm going to be the co-director. So if Elsie's sick, you'll be seeing Claire. So yeah. And the reason why I'm here right now is because Elsie, she is planning a birthday party for her little brother, because guess what? Today's his birthday. So yay! Hint, hint, my birthday is for my brother. Yeah. My brother's birthday, that's what I mean. Okay, sorry. And one, no. That's not my yard back there. It's my neighbor. Okay, so the reason why LPS Lover 760 here, Claire, is here today is because we're doing a review. Yay! And this review is going to be about another little pet shop that I got. You know, one of the new ones, not the ugly ones. And it is, ding, this German Shepherd dog. Yes. And he is number 3562. And he's really cute. And he came with this cute little card, like most of them do. Yep, that one's cute. And so right now I'm going to review him. He has tan fur for his base coat. He has black little tufts of hair on the sides, right here, on his paws, and on his tail. He has a hot pink LPS mark. He has these purplish eyes, but if you're outside they look blue, so yeah. And he has a black nose as well, and a gray little thing around most of his face, and orange thingies inside his ear, and he has a green and white collar that is painted on, if you can see that. And he has these cute little eyebrows, but they make him look like, I will hate you forever. You know, sort of like that. But if you cover up his eyebrows, this is what he looks like. Hello. Hello. So, yeah. But I still like him. He's super, super cute. And in my opinion, he's a boy. So, that is my new LPS that I have. And I think I'm going to name him Michael. Because Michael just sounds good to me. Michael and Claire. So, there you have it, you guys. Comment down below if you want me to do another one of these little LPS reviews. See, what was I going to say? I don't know. Well, see you guys later. Bye. LPS Lover 760 out. Peace!